Hello friends, welcome to Virtuoso's channel. On this channel, I share videos on food business and NAFDAC registration. Kindly subscribe. Happy Democracy Day to all Nigerians. Today is actually Democracy Day in Nigeria and I decided to share this healthy parfait recipe. If you're health conscious or you're thinking of something healthy you can snack on with your friends and family, this is your go-to recipe. And you don't need so much. You just need 5 ingredients. You need apples, you need granola, you would also be needing, of course, cashew nuts and some coconut flakes. I have a granola recipe on my channel. Kindly check the food recipe playlist. Then I also have Greek yogurt recipes on this channel. I made this Greek yogurt actually, and for the shredded coconut recipe, it's also on this channel. I just got it by shredding coconut and then toasting it on a pan, and that's it basically. So just 5 ingredients. You can make them on your own. Okay, you can also buy if you want. I started first with my yogurt. Then I added some granola. Then I also added some apples. Go ahead and add coconut flakes and cashew nut. That's all basically. So you start out with your yogurt. Then you add other ingredients in any way or any order of your choice. After which you top it up again with a healthy dose of yogurt, right? Before going ahead to also top up and arrange your other toppings, granola and all that. It's so easy to make. But I would love to ask you a question. How are you coping? If you're in Nigeria or other countries, the cost of things have actually increased. For food business owners, how are you coping? I hope you're costing right. And if you need help with costing and pricing, I have an online course you can learn at your own pace that will teach you how to cost your ingredients properly and will also show you 3 ways to price your products. Trust me, this course, you've not seen anything like this course before. After this course, you'll be able to learn how to cost and how to price accurately. You also learn how to reduce or save cost, kind of. You learn the things you need to do in your food business to help you reduce cost. Okay, there's a whole lot to learn, even mindset. There are actually 5 models, and all you need to do is check the description for my WhatsApp number and you can chat with me directly to enroll you in the course. And of course, you would also join other people in a group that have done this course, and you'd have a lot to learn and also network. You can actually consider doing parfait as a business, like selling parfait, because it's very lucrative, especially because people are becoming a lot more health conscious than before. So there's a growing demand for food that is healthy, nutritious, that is packed with healthy ingredients, for people to be nourished. And a lot of people are actually careful about what they eat these days because you are what you eat. I can remember one of my lecturers then in school. She would always say, stick to nature, because I studied biochemistry in food too. She would always say, stick to nature as much as possible. People don't want to eat highly processed foods. A lot of people actually care so much about what they eat because the truth is, what you eat will eventually reflect on, your outlook, your health generally. So if you've not been taking your health seriously, this is a call for you to take your health seriously. So eat more of nuts, Greek yogurt is a very good protein also, and it even helps in digestion. And the granola was made from oats, and oats is very good. It has fiber, of course, and it helps in digestion. Coconut, cashew nuts are also very good and healthy. So all the ingredients here, in fact, this can even serve as a complete meal. Like you can just eat this as maybe breakfast or maybe dinner. It's a complete meal, right? So if you're thinking of doing parfait as a business, this is your call to start. Although you'd have good source of light, because anything that has to do with yogurt, you would need light, right? And you can also add, if you have a good source of light, you like good supply of light. You can add other drinks like zobo, because I noticed from my zobo video, I did a video on how to produce zobo. I've done like 2 or 3 videos. I noticed that those videos, one is actually on 40,000 views. So it just shows me that there's a lot of interest in zobo. And also for my business too, we sell a lot of zobo. Okay, so people are becoming a lot more health conscious, so they would rather take maybe a bottle of zobo drink than taking any fizzy drink out there. So if you know diversify or start a business related to healthy foods and drinks, you're definitely going to make it. It's just that the limiting factor might be light. Like if you have the resources, you can afford solar, fine. Or if you have very good light in your area, but you can't really depend on or is it NEPA or PHCN now? You can't really depend on. So if you have a good source of light, you can do the business. Or in fact, the best is to get solar to power your fridges, at least for the Greek yogurt, right? It's a lucrative business and there's high demand for it. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share. I want to see your comments. Subscribe to my channel. Please remember to share my videos and like my videos. Even comment. That's how YouTube gets to recommend it. Bye.